Hello. Today I'm going to showing that how to filter data using the Power Apps. So for this, first of all, let me share my screen. So in my screen, see this is the data with the customers. Okay, I have prepared this data, and these are the customer transactions data. So these customers transaction data I have created in the Power App two Gits. One is the customer, and the second one is the customer transactions data. For this one, when I click the customer, automatically it will shows that what are the transactions are available in that particular customer. So just I'm playing this app. See, when I select that record, this customer, there are no transactions. When I see 22, 23, so 24, this many data is there. Suppose if I go to the top, number one, so this many data belongs to that customer. And three, there is no data. And two, we have data. Four, this one record. Five, this one records. So here, nine records. Nine, nine have the records, and we have the scroll options also is there. Or we can scroll it here. So it's a very useful feature, guys, using the Power Effects. So if you are trying to getting any real-time training, so please contact me. And if you need any interview level of training to crack the interview without others' help or proxy, then join my training session on F&O. Thank you guys. Myself Amar, and I'm giving the links to that my YouTube channel and my LinkedIn page. Please go and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.